Imagine this. You're leading a major business transformation, but instead of progress, you're met with chaos and resistance. Teams are misaligned, goals are unclear, and failure almost seems imminent. What if I told you there's a management approach that turns this confusion into clarity? Before I explain the game-changing world of meta management, very important is a free PDF that you can download that complements this video. It gives you more in-depth explanations of what I'm going to cover in this video, case studies and quizzes to test your knowledge and reinforce your learning. To download this PDF, click the link below this video or go to cxo.fm/meta. Then you'll have also joined my free PDF club. That means you'll automatically receive my free weekly lesson PDFs alongside all my news, course updates and offers. It's a free service and you can unsubscribe at any time. So, meta management. It's a strategic and holistic discipline that provides the overarching framework to manage the complexity of business transformation. It integrates management disciplines, the transformation life cycle, and leadership to ensure a cohesive and effective transformation process. Today, we're diving deep into meta management and 10 of its key components. And by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful toolkit to turn business chaos into strategic harmony. Let's get started with the transformation life cycle. Many organizations struggle with implementing change, often getting stuck in one phase or losing sight of the big picture. And this can lead to incomplete transformations, wasted resources, and failure to achieve the desired outcomes. The transformation life cycle in meta management offers a structured, iterative process involving 4 key phases, which are envision, engage, transform, and optimize. For example, during a global expansion, a company used the transformation lifecycle to adapt its strategies, engage stakeholders, and optimize operations, ensuring a seamless integration and sustained growth across new markets. By following this cycle, you ensure continuous adaptation and alignment with business goals, facilitating successful and sustainable transformation across your organization. Next, we have management disciplines. Siloed management functions often lead to disjointed transformation efforts. And this lack of integration can result in conflicting priorities, inefficient resource allocation, and misaligned strategies. Meta management provides a framework for integrating various management functions, which are strategy management, value management, risk management, business process management, IT transformation management, organizational change management, training and competence management, and program and project management. In a real-world scenario, during a global rebranding initiative, aligning management disciplines like strategy and risk management within meta management ensured consistent execution across different regions, minimizing risks and maximizing strategic alignment. By harmonizing these disciplines, you can ensure that your business transformation efforts are cohesive, efficient, and aligned with overall strategic goals. Then there's transformation strategy. Many transformations fail due to a lack of clear direction and alignment with organizational capabilities. Without a solid strategy, transformations can become directionless, leading to wasted resources and, of course, missed objectives. A well-defined transformation strategy sets the foundation for business transformation by defining the direction, scope, and vision. For instance, in a recent AI-driven business overhaul, an AI transformation strategy was key in guiding the integration of artificial intelligence technologies. It aligned all departments towards a data-informed, unified vision, automating processes, and enabling more predictive decision-making. This approach ensured efficient execution and delivered measurable AI-powered outcomes. Remember, a good strategy follows these key steps: define, align, execute, monitor, then optimize. By following this approach, you ensure that your transformation efforts are strategically driven and executed with clear objectives. Number 4 on our list of 10 is leadership roles. Unclear leadership roles can lead to confusion, lack of accountability, and poor execution in transformation efforts. This ambiguity can result in conflicting directions, demotivated teams, and ultimately failed transformations. Clearly defined leadership roles within meta management are critical to driving successful business transformation. In a global restructuring effort, clear leadership roles ensured accountability and smooth execution. Leaders empowered their teams, maintained focus on goals, and effectively communicated across all levels of the organization, driving successful transformation. Key leadership roles include the transformation sponsor, the change leader, the business transformation director, risk manager, transformation consultants, and of course, other roles. Each plays a crucial part in guiding teams through the complexities of transformation. Then there's organizational culture. A lot of transformations fail because they don't account for the existing organizational culture. Ignoring culture can lead to resistance, low adoption rates of new processes, and ultimately transformation failure. Recognizing and shaping organizational culture is crucial for the success of business transformations. In a recent business model transformation, fostering a strong organizational culture centered on innovation and collaboration, which quickly enabled teams to adapt very easily to new ways of working. This cultural focus led to increased productivity and ultimately a successful transformation outcome. To shape the culture you want, focus on these steps. Define core values, communicate your vision effectively, foster a collaborative environment, empower team members, and reinforce positive behaviors. Next are communication principles. Poor communication often derails transformation efforts, leading to misunderstandings and, of course, resistance. Without effective communication, stakeholders may feel left in the dark, leading to rumors, decreased morale, and a lack of buy-in. Implementing strong communication principles in meta management guides the consistent and transparent flow of information during your business transformation. In a major business transformation, clear communication principles enabled a seamless collaboration across global teams, and this approach ensured all stakeholders remained informed and aligned, ultimately contributing to the project's successful completion. Key components of communication principles include clear objectives, understanding your audience needs, message consistency, two-way communication, and monitoring feedback. By focusing on these areas, you can foster trust and collaboration across your organization. Number 7 is the balanced scorecard. Many organizations struggle to measure and manage performance holistically during transformation, and this can lead to over-focus on financial metrics at the expense of other critical areas, resulting in short-term gains but long-term issues. The balanced scorecard provides a comprehensive view of an organization's performance by integrating financial metrics with other key areas. In a global enterprise, the balanced scorecard was used to align departmental goals with a company's strategic objectives, ensuring that all teams work towards the same targets, leading to improved performance and coherence. The 4 perspectives of a traditional balanced scorecard are financial, customer, internal process, learning and growth. By considering all these aspects, you ensure a well-rounded approach to measuring and driving your transformation's success. Next is stakeholder management. Neglecting key stakeholders can lead to resistance and roadblocks in your transformation efforts. Without proper stakeholder management, you could face unexpected opposition, resource constraints, or lack of support at very critical junctures. Effective stakeholder management involves identifying, analyzing, and engaging with individuals or groups who have an interest in or will be affected by your business transformation. In a business transformation that was focused on customer centricity and using AI, effective stakeholder management ensured that key stakeholders understood the value of AI in enhancing customer experiences. And this approach kept stakeholders informed, educated, and engaged, and this reduced resistance and facilitated a smoother transition to AI-driven, customer-focused processes. So follow these key steps. First, identify key stakeholders. Analyze influence they have, develop engagement, communicate effectively, and monitor relationships. This process ensures alignment with project goals and fosters support for successful transformation outcomes. Then there's the iterative process. Static, inflexible transformation approaches often fail to adapt to changing circumstances. And this rigidity can lead to outdated strategies, missed opportunities, and transformation efforts that no longer align with business needs. An iterative process in business transformation allows for continuous improvement and adaptation. In a major business model transformation, an iterative process enabled a global firm to repeatedly assess and optimize their supply chain using digital twin technology. And this approach led to a smoother transition, minimized disruptions, and ensured ongoing improvement in efficiency and responsiveness. The key steps of an iterative process are continuous evaluation, adapt your strategy, implement changes, gather feedback, and refine processes. By embracing this approach, you ensure your transformation remains aligned with evolving goals and responds effectively to new challenges. And finally, the 10th component of meta management that I wanted to talk to you about today is feedback loops. A lot of organizations struggle to incorporate real-time insights and stakeholder input into their transformation efforts. Without effective feedback mechanisms, organizations risk continuing with suboptimal strategies, missing critical issues, and failing to leverage valuable insights from those closest to the work. Implementing feedback loops is essential in meta management because it ensures continuous improvement by allowing organizations to adjust strategies based on real-time data and stakeholder input. In a recent transformation at a global tech firm, feedback loops were leveraged to refine machine learning models based on real-time data. This innovative approach enabled continuous improvement, resulting in more effective solutions and significantly enhancing user adoption and overall project success. The key steps of a feedback loop are: gather the data, analyze the input, implement the changes, monitor outcomes, and iterate the process. By incorporating these loops, you keep your transformation aligned with goals and responsive to emerging challenges. So remember the chaotic transformation scenario that I mentioned at the start of the video? By now, you've seen how meta management can revolutionize your approach to transformation. By aligning teams, integrating disciplines, and providing a holistic framework, it transforms confusion into clarity. The resistance you might have once faced becomes enthusiasm for change. Goals that were unclear become sharply defined. And what seemed like an inevitable failure has gone on to become a roadmap for real success. With meta management, you're not just managing change, you're mastering it, turning every challenge into an opportunity for growth. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that meta management in 𝐵𝐷𝐸𝐻² serves as the foundational framework that supports the success of any business transformation. It ensures that all aspects of the transformation process, from leadership to communication, are aligned and integrated. By fostering a culture of collaboration, continuous learning, and strategic alignment, meta management guides organizations through the complexities of transformation, ensuring that goals are met and value is realized. I hope you found this overview of meta management to be helpful, but we've only scratched the surface, which is why I'm offering you a free PDF guide that's dedicated to meta management. It's a practical tool designed to enhance your understanding and application of meta management, which is a really important component of 𝐵𝐷𝐸𝐻². To download this free PDF, click the link below this video or go to cxo.fm/meta. And I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye for now.